As platform engineers, we're specialized in various DevOps activities, including the automation of deployments and software's maintenance on the cloud. In our field, every project addresses two issues. First, a lot of server and software configuration takes too much time and are often redundant.
Then, there's a lack of standardization, both in the various cloud providers' technologies and also in the way engineers are working. And this brings three challenges in how to manage projects on the cloud. First, working on a new cloud provider requires retraining your team in its technology.
Then, when we have to change the provider for different reasons, like a scale change, we have to rewrite all the code related to the infrastructure. We'll let you imagine the costs that this can bring.
Having experienced this situation ourselves for too long, we decided to develop our own software, which is called Commwork Cloud, or CW Cloud.
CW Cloud is a tool which aims to automate and standardize the repetitive tasks while being agnostic and independent from the various cloud providers. But above all, it provides greater independence from turnover issues. We all know that the turnover is becoming a nightmare for every IT project.
CW Cloud is providing a new concept, the Deployment as a Service, or DaaS. This standard and automated deployment is possible with a template and driver system adaptable to the various cloud providers.
To satisfy all the habits of the various type of engineers, CW Cloud can be used through a modern web interface or a command line interface.
To summarize, the objective is to provide a system which is adaptable to all cloud providers and which allows every new employee, including junior engineers, to be able to quickly set up a high quality and fully automated cloud infrastructure.
Moreover, we realize those issues also exist among other IT projects profiles, such as developers or data scientists. Especially tools have recently emerged to allow developers to focus on business code without wasting time with its deployment and exposition. This is the case of serverless technologies such as Amazon Lambda or GCP Cloud Functions. That's why CW Cloud is also providing a function as a service module, which is also agnostic from the cloud provider and which is also available through a CLI or a modern code and low-code web editor.
CW Cloud can be installed on premises on public or private cloud infrastructures and is available with two licenses. An enterprise paid license, which is designed for the large companies and organizations, and which allows to manage role and permissions for the organization's member, and an open source license which is sufficient for smaller companies. Moreover, our team is also taking care of support, customization and training.
To conclude, CW Cloud is a B2B solution which provides complementary modules and services in order to make the deployment on the cloud fast and standard.